In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla not charging. So let's get started. So first of all, I need you guys to guide yourselves onto this website, tesla.com/owner's manual, and then select the car that you own. For the sake of the video, I'll be just choosing Model X. Then proceed to choose the language that you own. And then you'll be redirected to a page with a bunch of options to the left. Here, I want you to click on the drop-down button or arrow for charging and energy consumption, and then click on charging instructions. Here, you'll find a bunch of options regarding charging and well, things to take note of and things to be cautious of or warned of. So I want you to have a good read at this section, and if that helps you out with your problem and fixes it, that's great. If it doesn't, I do have a couple more fixes to share with you. So first, make sure the charging cable is fully plugged in. Sometimes it may not be seated correctly, especially if you're using an adapter. Try unplugging it, then firmly reconnecting it. If you see a flashing red light on the charger pod, there might be a connection issue. Next, check for dirt, dust, or moisture inside the charging port. A quick wipe with a clean, dry cloth can help. If you're in cold weather, the charge port might be frozen. Try gently warming it up before plugging in again. If the issue isn't with your car, it might be with the charger. Try using a different supercharger or home charger to see if that makes a difference. If another charger works, your usual charging setup might need repairs. If your Teslas still won't charge, it could be a software glitch. A quick reboot might help. Just press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen turns off. Once the system restarts, try charging again. Sometimes the charging issue is just a setting. Go to your Tesla touchscreen, tap charging, and check if the charge limit is set too low. Also, if you are using scheduled charging, your car may not start charging right away, so double check that too. And finally, if nothing works, there might be a problem with your battery or onboard charger. The best thing to do is schedule a service appointment through the Tesla app. Tesla's remote diagnostics can sometimes even fix the issue without a trip to the service center. So, that'll be it for this video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.